The ruler, Obafemi, is here and he is on a mission of pure destruction. We know he has a score to settle with Brock Lesnar, and after he puts the beast to rest, he is not stopping there. His eyes are set on the ultimate prize, the World Heavyweight Championship, and that means he is coming straight for the head of the table, the OTC, Roman Reigns. So the hunt is on. Roman, you better be watching, because once Femi is done with Lesnar, you are his next target. The ruler has arrived and he's taking over. Make no mistake, the landscape of this business is about to shift permanently. Oh no, Tonga attacks Obafemi with a big boot. And Obafemi got rocked by Tala Tonga. Look at Obafemi. Oh, Femi is back on his feet. And the monster is ready to take revenge. Obafemi destroying Solo Sikoa, the cousin brother of Roman Reigns. Obafemi has started his feud with a bloodline now. Obafemi destroying Solo Sikoa with the punches. And Femi bangs Solo again. Solo almost got knocked out by Obafemi. And everybody is chanting for the ruler, chanting for Obafemi. And now Femi again smashes Solo, teaching him a big lesson, telling Solo Sikoa, the way I'm destroying you, the same way I will destroy the OTC next. And now, oh God, a right hand by Solo. He escapes the wrath of the ruler. But for how much time? Obafemi is recovering. Oh now, he took out Tala Tonga. Look at Tala Tonga screaming with pain. Obafemi. And now, the same treatment for Solo Sikoa. The bloodline will be in big trouble when they face Obafemi fall from grace. And Femi wins the match so easily. Oh! Obafemi eats a 619 from Dominic Mysterio. Oh, Dominic got caught and thrown away by Obafemi. What a freaking monster. Oh no, Brock Lesnar. F5 to Obafemi. The beast is very angry as he wants to take revenge from Obafemi. Another F5. Femi is getting destroyed. Will the beast destroy Obafemi and defeat him tonight? Another F5. Brock Lesnar in Super Saiyan mode. Brock Lesnar, the juggernaut, the beast incarnate, the titan, the cowboy. Another F5. Fourth F5 in a row. And Obafemi in trouble. A kick out by Femi. Obafemi telling Brock Lesnar that I am not in trouble, but I am the trouble. And look at Lesnar. He is shocked by the absolute different behavior of Obafemi. And now the chaos erupts. Lesnar again counters to the chalk slam of Obafemi. Oh, F5. On the announcer's table. Obafemi again. Oh no. He's back on his feet again with a broken arm. Obafemi. Uppercut after uppercut to the beast. Another uppercut. And now look at Obafemi. Oh God. He throws Brock Lesnar like he threw away Tala Tonga moments ago on Monday Night Raw. And now fall from grace time. Lesnar escaped again. Brock Lesnar, the beast incarnate, with another F5. A seventh F5. And Brock Lesnar sealed the match with a victory. And now Roman Reigns, the OTC, with a steel steps. And he throws it to Cheka Fatu. The OTC showing a no mercy to the Samoan Werewolf here. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this, as the OTC in total control over the Samoan Werewolf in this World Heavyweight Championship Tribal Combat Street Fight. Reigns going outside, and fans are going crazy because Roman Reigns is going for his next move. Reigns is ready. Fatu in pain. Drive boy to Jacob Fatu, and Fatu goes head first into the steel post, and now Reigns goes line into the corner, one after another. Fans are counting, and Roman Reigns will make sure tonight that he will end Jacob Fatu once and for all. Oh, big boat. The king is dominating here. The dominance of the OTC continues in this match. Reigns, look at Reigns, look at Reigns. It's time to lock and load. Superman punch loading, baby. And Fatu ran away. Roman Reigns chasing Jacob Fatu as he ran away from the Superman punch of Roman Reigns, and now Reigns punishes Jacob Fatu with a spear through the table, through the barricade, sorry. And now it's time. A spear through the table this time. Yeah, this time I'm right. Reigns rocks Fatu with a earth-shaking spear, another spear. This time a torpedo spear by the king of WWE, and a victory for Roman Reigns. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. And now Braun Breaker looks to copy Roman Reigns, but he will always be a copycat. A Seth Rollins got him. Powerbomb? Nope. Oh, gutbuster by the dog, and now the dogs are barking here on WWE Raw live event. And the dog Braun Breaker, oh God, got crashed and burned into the table. It's a stomp from the Visionary. That's the difference between Roman Reigns and Braun Breaker. Seth Rollins defeated the dog so easily. And here comes the big dog, the king of WWE, and tonight Roman Reigns has some score to settle. Roman Reigns is very angry, but who will Roman Reigns gonna target? Is that Oba Femi or someone else? We need to see why Roman Reigns is very angry. Oh, he is angry on Jacob Fatu, as Fatu is not following the orders of Jey Uso. Jacob Fatu denied to attack Seth Rollins. Oh, big boat by Reigns. Roman Reigns punishing Jacob Fatu for not targeting and destroying the Visionary Seth Rollins. Superman punch, no, Fatu counters, telling Reigns, I acknowledged you once. Oh, it's a super kick from Jey Uso. Another super kick. A spear. Roman Reigns shocked by this behavior of Jacob Fatu. And a splash by Big Jim. The Usos are not done yet. The Usos. 1D. And now Reigns. Locked and loaded. Superman punch. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. And now the Usos ties Jacob Fatu in between the ropes. Oh, the treatment is continue for Jacob Fatu. Superman punch by Reigns. The king on the hunt of the Samoan Werewolf. Double super kick by the Usos. This is what happens when you don't acknowledge and follow tribal chief Roman Reigns. Reigns roars. The king roars. His spear. We hope Jacob Fatu will acknowledge Roman Reigns after this again. Roman Reigns with total dominance. Thanks for watching.